Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with an do-it-yourself video, and this time it's to troubleshoot your thermostatic mixing valve for your hot water tank. These mixing valves are notorious for getting clogged. There's debris and or calcium buildup, so it's not letting enough water, hot water in to mix with the cold water, so the water's not getting hot enough. So what you do to unclog it, there's a screw on top of these things, in most of them. You unscrew that. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to lift it up. There's teeth in here that grabs onto the top teeth, and it allows you to kind of turn it, but they sometimes get stripped. So you can just take that off, and then take a wrench, and then just grab onto it. This is set to hottest level right now. So I'm just going to turn it counterclockwise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it counterclockwise all the way to cold, right? Let the water run, let the debris kind of, dislodge hopefully, and then turn it back to all the way to hot. Okay? And then we're going to go downstairs and turn on the hot water on your faucet. And as you're turning the hot water on, you're gonna just come back here, and then you're gonna wiggle to cold to hot. Just turn it halfway to cold, okay? And so what you're gonna do is it's lifting up that valve to kind of hopefully move the debris from where it's lodged in, and hopefully it'll unclog that. And that should do it. Okay, so then just turn it all the way back out, and there you go. All right, let's check this out. You'll notice that the water pressure now is really low, but it is hot water coming out of there now. What I suspect is the crud that we dislodged has made it up through this water, or this faucet, and it's stuck in the screen here. So let's unscrew this and see the crud that came out of that valve. So these things unscrew underneath, and they have check that out. So that's all the crud. And if you look, see the water pressure now? That's really hot. It's almost too hot. So that's the crud that came, this black crud that came out of that temperature valve. And it's probably stuck in this screen here, so we're gonna have to probably get a replacement valve. But that's it. We took the guck out of the filter outlet there, so we're going to now test the temperature. See how hot it gets here. And it's going up. So the valve is rated max of 120. So hey, it's a little bit higher. It's about 125 now. It's probably at 130. So I mean, you should never go past 130, or it can really burn someone. But it looks good. It's about 130. It's great. It works now.